Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you 3 simple ways to fix personal hotspot that's not working on your iPhone. Well, I'm gonna explain with these 3 options. No hotspot option showing, hotspot has no internet on it, and my secret tricks. So first you need to make sure your iPhone has the personal hotspot blanch. Here inside settings, click on your mobile service, and inside that tap on APN settings. That sometimes on a higher iOS. This option will be cellular data network. Now look at the section called personal hotspot. So remember, here you see a field called APN. You need to enter the APN of your server's provider. Like on my device, I'm using AWCC-AF. So the APN is AWCC-AF and your APN might be different. So just go to Google and search for your SIM card APN and you will find the correct one. But I think it doesn't matter, just type something. Okay, and now you can turn on hotspot easily. Well, if you still can't connect them, make some changes in the hotspots option. For doing this, go to the settings. Personal hotspot option will be shown. Tap on it. Here you can set or change password for your hotspot. And then you can turn on it to join others to your hotspot. Okay, now for the second option, hotspot has no internet on it. I mean like you are connected to the hotspot but it doesn't have network or low network connection. There are 3 methods for this problem to be solved. First method, reset network settings. Go to the settings page, click on general, here scroll down, click on transfer and reset option. Here in this place, tap on reset and choose reset network settings. Wait for it to be complete. This will only reset your network settings and it become like its original state. Second method, force restart. For doing this, press the volume up and volume down and then hold the power off button. Keep it for 10 seconds till the Apple logo appears. This will reboot your phone and remove any glitches. So if still your hotspot not working, go with the third method. You need to update your iOS system. You can upgrade your iOS in settings or you can do it by PC. Well, now it's time for my secret tricks. First trick. It's a small mistake that always we made when we see this notification on a screen. And you definitely want to turn off Wi-Fi at that moment. But don't do it. Just open Control Center and press once at Wi-Fi logo. It will open Wi-Fi for sharing personal hotspot for others. Let me show you in settings. You see here it's not completely turned off. So if you turn it off like device said, hotspot will become automatically disconnected or you can share your hotspot with others. Next trick is for sometimes that internet isn't working on connected devices. For fixing this issue, go right to your phone settings, tap cellular data. Right after that, go on cellular data options, tap data just like so. This trick will work for 2 issues. Once for internet not working on other devices and also for sometimes data became 3G while sharing hotspots. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching. If any of these methods helps you, don't forget to subscribe. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask me.